It's amazing how a small push, like literally a small push, a push up, can change your mindset and change your vibe, your mood. And during my workout, I had some music on, and sometimes I train without music. But this day, I trained with music, and I was thinking about things that are going on right now. A couple of days back, I saw on the news that a celebrity here in the Netherlands just suddenly passed away. This guy was 52, and he was a person from my childhood. I used to watch his TV shows and stuff, and it came as a shock because every time I see something like that, I get reminded of my mortality. And I know it's not something that's only about me because, we all going to go one day. But it just reminds me again, man, how much we take things so for granted. And yeah, man, is it just me or does it really feel like life is running out on us? And the older I get, the more and more I become aware of that. I remember being like 8 years and already being aware of the fact that one day none of us will be here. And that kind of stuck with me through my whole life till now. And especially now when I'm hearing things around me, I'm like, oh my God, man, time is really running out, in my opinion. And I feel this sense of urgency. So yeah, I'm making this video because I just want to say that your time is coming. And I don't mean that in a motivational way, like you're going to get success. And even though I wish that upon you, what I'm talking about is your time is coming. One day you will not be here anymore. So what the hell are you waiting for? And as I say that, I hear the Linkin Park song in the back of my mind. All jokes aside, your time is coming, and you have no idea when. My time is coming, our time is coming. So we need to really embrace every day. Even though days feel like sometimes they're shitty, you don't want to do anything, you don't feel motivated, you don't feel disciplined, work is working on your nerves, your friends are annoying you, whatever. Maybe you're having a fight with your spouse or girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever. It's still important to stand still and be grateful for what you have. And even if it's a toxic relationship, or it might be a romantic relationship or a toxic work environment, make sure to get the hell out of there as soon as possible, because every second wasted is a second you will never get back. And oftentimes we think, no, I'm gonna stick it out one more day, one more month, and then after that I'll see. But who says that after a week, a month, or a year you're still gonna be here? And I'm starting more and more to believe that, even though I have my moments of weakness, and I'm sorry if this video is all over the place, but on moments when I have even when I have moments of weakness, like eating something that's unhealthy, I am starting to realize more and more that since I'm not going to be here forever, why not give myself the best of the best? And I'm not talking about eating caviar or always spending your money or wasting your money on luxury stuff or in luxury restaurants, but why not give myself the best of the best? Why not choose an omelette instead of potato chips? Or why not choose fruits instead of a candy bar? Stuff like that. And give yourself the best of the best, because we're not going to be here forever. So you might as well give yourself quality stuff. And with quality stuff, by the way, I don't mean Gucci bags and stuff like that. I'm talking about things that actually matter. And when people come around saying healthy food is expensive, you know what's more expensive? Getting to the hospital because you ate like shit. Getting to the hospital because your heart isn't working the way it's supposed to. That takes you one step closer to the grave, man. And we shouldn't strive for that. Even though it's not consciously most of the time. But the short-term pleasures never ever outweigh the long-term pleasures, man. Let me say that again. The short-term pleasures never outweigh the long-term pleasure. I realize that I'd rather have fun or positive consequence a month from now than only focusing on the craving I'm feeling right now. To satisfy that craving, I'm going to get something that's unhealthy, and then eventually I will pay for it. So, again, I'm not perfect, and I fall off every once in a while. And I don't think it's realistic to never ever eat something unhealthy again. But it's about being aware of what you eat and how many times you eat it. So yeah, man, I'm going to finish this video by saying, again, your time is coming. So make the best of what you have with the days you have, because it can be over all of a sudden. And the last thing you want is leaving with regrets and not taking all the opportunities you had a chance to take. So remember, your time is coming.